What started as Steffi's skincare routine has now become ours. And honestly, once you start taking care of your skin, you really notice the difference.
We've been carrying Genoceuticals throughout this trip. The products feel luxurious and are formulated without sulfates and parabens, so we know we're giving our skin the care it deserves. With European premium skincare for you, Genoceuticals transforms everyday routines into luxurious rituals.
What I like is professional skincare, but never feels complicated.
Exactly. It's simple, effective, and honestly a part of my skincare routine.
And skincare doesn't have to be just her thing.
It's self-care for the both of us.
With European premium skincare for you, Genoceuticals transforms everyday routines into luxurious rituals.